Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay y'all, so we're doing something different today, okay? Obviously the scene is a little different, the background is different. Different things change, new things, it's okay, all right? So you know how they say health is wealth? Well, yeah, we're about to go ahead and tap into that today. So today I am going to show y'all one of my favorite juicing recipes that I do. Okay, it's easy to do. I get a lot of my containers from Amazon. You know, we all get everything from Amazon nowadays. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my containers. I hope when y'all order stuff, y'all wash it. Or when y'all get new linen, you wash it before you use it. If not, we know better, so now we do better. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna wash these containers. We're gonna make sure they're nice and clean. I like to do kind of like a hot water, soap, baking soda type of atmosphere. And yeah, even though it's clean, I'm extra. I'm doing a lot, okay? Because we about to house the juice in there. So yeah, we gotta wash it. Y'all, this recipe, I usually like to actually break it up, and I like to wash and cut the vegetables. And then the next day, I like to take all the vegetables and the fruit that I cut and then juice it. So I like to do it in two parts. But this day, I don't know. Something came over me. I was feeling, I don't know what I was feeling. I was feeling like I could do it all, okay? But in the end, I definitely felt that. So yes, we're getting ready to juice. Here we go. And y'all, stop playing like y'all don't know juicing is the new thing. Well, it's been a thing, but right now it's a thing times two again. So we tapping into the juicing network, okay? Because health is wealth, and we working our way to get there. So I'm very thorough when cleaning the fruits and vegetables. Usually I use like a white vinegar, distilled white vinegar, and some warm water. I'll let it sit for a while. And then I have a special fruit and vegetable scrubber that I use that you saw here that's green. And I'll scrub off, obviously, like the top dirty layer. Rinse it, dry it, and then I'll get to cutting. I feel like when a lot of people think of health and wellness, they think of, oh, I have to exercise and eat salads all day, every day. And that's not it. That's not really the case. You know, health can be so many more things. You don't have to go super hard in the gym. You can go for walks every day for at least 30 minutes. You know, when we talk about nutrition is everything, because without nutrition, you're really not going to lose that weight, you know? You're not going to get your vitamins and proteins, your daily intake of those that you really need. So I feel like everything within moderation, right? It's not just salads. Let's just make healthier choices. Let's take baby steps like this wellness shots. I take this in the morning and I take it towards the end of my night. Next day I do the same thing. Next day I do the same thing until I'm out. They last up to 3 to 5 days, honestly. So I just try to make sure. I mean, obviously, if you're taking it twice a day, you're gonna run out soon. But this is just like a quick jump start to the day, right? A great ending for the day for your digestive system. You know, when we're eating, we just need to think of what's a healthier option than fried chicken and oil. The air fryer. Okay, what's a healthier option than eating Brahms ice cream, a double dip sundae? Maybe let's go get some Halo Top ice cream, or let's just have some frozen yogurt, a small size here and there, right? Within moderation. Let's not turn a cheat meal that a lot of people have on the weekend into a cheat day, you know? Let's try to hydrate. Let's not say, and I've said this before in another video, oh, I don't like the way water tastes. What? Taste? Like, what do you, come on now. I hear that so much. I don't like the way water tastes, so I don't drink it. Water is everything for us. Water is everything for our body. It's what the fluids run through, what keeps our body, you know, in a sense, lubricated and running and everything. The wheel is running smoothly because of water. It's water. But you can drink everything else under the sun, literally. Lemonade, juice, pop, alcohol. But you can't drink water. Like, let's change that mindset. Let's start to look at the glass half full instead of half empty, right? If you had already lost that weight and you were already eating really good, what would you be eating? Let's start to implement that. So then you actually can be losing that weight. You can be shedding it. Let's start trying to walk. And I know some people are like, oh, I just don't have time. You make time for what you want. You make time for what you want. So let's start with maybe 3 days a week. I'm going to walk 45 minutes or walk around my neighborhood multiple times. Maybe get to know the neighbors. 3 days a week. Let's start there. It's baby steps. Everything is baby steps. So, like I said, I did something different with this video. So I decided to let y'all in on the health and wellness that, I like to incorporate here and there. I don't do this all the time. I don't do this every day. I might do it, let's say, 6 to 8 times out of the year. You can also obviously go to the store and buy it, but this is a lot cheaper, a lot cheaper. And, you're actually doing it. If you have kids, you can teach your kids about all these different fruits and vegetables. So, it's like a 2-for-1. It could be like a whole little family, a family project going on, right? All about health and wellness. So, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Keep watching to get the rest of it. And if y'all want the precise ingredients, comment ingredients down below in the comment section. Okay, you guys, and after juicing all of the fruits and vegetables, okay, I will say this. If you have let's say a bag of apples, 3 bags of baby carrots, 3 stalks of ginger, and maybe 4 oranges, just off the top of my head, right? If you have all of that, y'all, do not be surprised that when you juice, it looks like you barely had anything to begin with. That's just how it works. Obviously it leaves a lot of the scrappings behind, but if you don't want to be wasteful, you could take those scrappings and either put them in an ice cube tray and freeze them and add them to your smoothie as you go out throughout the week, or you can do kind of like a rendition of a carrot cake and add those scrappings to the cake or to like a oatmeal bake. Just FYI. So yes, it does look like you didn't have all that to begin with, but you get this beautiful orange juice that has all these amazing nutrients for your body in it. So overall, we're winning, okay? You see the way I'm pouring it in there. I'm using the funnel. The funnel will save you so much mess, so much cleanup time. I love these small little containers. They're just the right size, you guys. And overall, it's juicing well done. Honestly. And some people look at it and be like, is this going to taste good? But literally, if you've never juiced before, or if you have, when you put carrots to your juice, right? You add carrots to your juicing, whatever your ingredients is, carrots and or apples, especially and oranges, it's going to be sweet. Carrots naturally are sweet. So if you ever like bake or saute carrots, they're sweeter. That's why a lot of restaurants have glazed carrots, because they're naturally sweet. Oranges, they're sweet. Apples, sweet. We all know this. So whenever you juice, even though you're juicing raw and you're not adding any processed sugar or added sugars, it's still going to be sweet. Y'all, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like and comment on this video. And I will see you guys next time.